Hi guys, come and pack Katie's huge order. Now Katie ordered our lacy loungewear set in the black avocado. Super fluffy, super cute, super warm. And Katie also ordered our navy with stars loungewear set. And I'm also going to throw Katie's free gift. Now, when you spend over $200 on our website, you get a free gift valued up to $100. So, Katie's gift comes to $109.88. She got a blush trio set, which has beautiful blushes, and a rejuvenating hair mask. And the value of those two together come up to just over $100. And then Katie ordered our 2 pairs of our Grace ripped jeans. I believe we're sold out of these now. Don't quote me. I do not have it in front of me. Katie also ordered our stunning pink fluffy it's called Pandora. It's a dressing robe. I wear this every night. It's the only way to keep the cold out. And don't mind me, I lost my voice, had a big weekend. Katie ordered our blush stretchy paper bag shorts. Our tomboy top. Our Hannah peplum top. And last but not least, Katie also ordered our Uptown Lash mascara and our Robbie Gray sweater top, which also comes in black. Definitely need to invest in some bigger bags, because you ladies have been placing the biggest orders lately, and these bags just don't exactly, like, just. Thank you so much, Katie, for your order. I hope you love everything. Thank you so much, Katie.